Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft is rolling out this week's latest dev channel Insider Preview build 23575. And this week, once again, not too much really happening when it comes to new features. I have seen that things have slowed down a little bit in the Insider program when it comes to Microsoft pushing out brand new features. But nonetheless, we have a couple of changes and improvements. Now, first of all, Microsoft say they are trying out grouping recently added apps on your PC into a folder under the recommended section of Start with some Windows Insiders in the dev channel. So this is only rolling out to a limited subset of users, not to all in the dev channel. And some may find this useful, grouping recently added apps on your PC into a folder under the recommended section. But personally, I don't think this is a feature I would ever use. And if we just head quickly to my recommended section, as I have posted previously, I've actually turned off all these recommendations in the recommended section. And I honestly wish, as I've mentioned previously, and hope that Microsoft does give us an option one day to actually turn off this whole recommended section. Personally, and this is just my personal opinion, I think it just brings a lot of clutter into the Start menu. I know some do find it handy and useful, but me personally, I don't. And I have actually posted a whole video on how to turn off and disable recommended on the Start menu in Windows 11. So if you find yourself in the same situation as me, go check that video out. It may be helpful. Then moving on to some fixes. Now, it is the dev channel, so obviously it's early days and there are fixes that have rolled out. And if you are interested and want to stick around, they fixed an issue which was causing certain games to fail to launch. And then they also fixed an issue that was causing the insiders in the dev channel using the home edition of Windows 11 Insider Preview builds to find Copilot in Windows has disappeared from the taskbar. So that's a little bit of a fix rolling out there. And then we've got a couple of File Explorer fixes that have rolled out. We've got 4 in total, and one fixes a crash and another fixes a performance issue. And I certainly hope that those fixes roll out to the stable version sooner than later, because as mentioned, there are still a couple of performance issues with the File Explorer, as I think many of you would agree. And then settings, if we just head quickly to our settings and our home page, they fixed an issue where the settings home might show a prompt to sign into your Microsoft account and fail to sign in if you try to use it, even though settings itself showed you were already signed in. So that's another important fix rolling out. And then just to mention this last one, they fixed an issue where the drop downs in the settings would float up the screen if you scrolled in the task manager. Now, something else to take note of, there is a known issue where they are addressing a known issue with Copilot. And as I've also mentioned previously on the channel, I do think Microsoft started pushing out the Windows Copilot for the desktop a little bit too soon, because basically they rolled out a beta, a preview version to the general public, and now they are trying to fix this all up in the Insider program. So basically every week when it comes to the Insider builds with known issues, Microsoft is trying to address some sort of issue or other with Windows Copilot. So I also think that's quite interesting. And that's it. That's it, guys. That's more or less what's new. As mentioned, things are slowing down a little bit in the Insider program of late. And we just get that one change and improvement where they are trying out grouping recently added apps on your PC into a folder under recommended. And as mentioned, that would be something that I personally would never use in Windows 11 or Windows 10 for that matter. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.